Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Mahmoud Al-Odeh. I'm your professor for this course, 4878, Quality Assurance. In this short video, I will provide you an overview of this course. What is the expectation? What kind of topics that we will be covering? Also, we will be discussing some of the information on this course syllabus. So let's go ahead and start with my self-introduction. First of all, who I am. If you did not take any courses with me, I am your professor for this course, Quality Assurance. My name is Dr. Mahmoud Al-Odeh, and I been teaching with BSU for about 10 years. I joined BSU in 2012, and I am a full professor of operations and technology management. I am certified as a black belt, Six Sigma, and a green belt, Six Sigma as well. Also, I hold other certifications like the CTM and the CTP certified, senior certified as a technology manager, and a senior certified as a technology professional. I did provided some more information about myself in the introduction, but I would like to mention that I am very active in my field through the certifications, and I would like to keep myself up to date by publishing articles in the field. So my target is 1 to 2 articles every year to be published in peer-reviewed journals. Also, I like to attend national and international conferences. These conferences will help me to keep myself up to date in listening to the other faculty and other researchers in the field. I usually also very active with the community. So these are selected organizations that I've been working with. As you know, I work as a process improvement because I am a black belt certified organization come to me and ask me to help. So usually I take this opportunity to help them improve their process and eliminating the waste. So this is what I do. I worked with Looking Village Food, Bemidji Aviation, Woodmaster, Nortec Systems, North Central Doors, Air Corp Aviation, Teams Industries. These are just a few examples. About my family, I have 5 kids, 2 boys and 3 girls. My wife, Hadil, she works as quality improvement advisor at Sanford Health here in Bemidji. She basically works with physicians, nurses, and clinics to improve the quality of the healthcare system. My promise to you are these 3 points. I promise to support you. I promise to be available for you. And I promise to transform you through this course to be an excellent operational project leader. So these are the 3 promises that I would like to put it there so you could know exactly what you're expecting from me. Back to the course shell, which is the D2L. D2L is the website that we host all the information and the material in there. So the first page, you will see a welcoming message here about what is this course. Speaking of this course, this course will be about the basics and advanced knowledge in quality. We will be talking about the basic concepts in quality, some definitions. We will talk about the pioneers in quality, these people who contributed to the field. Moving into a more advanced level, which is we will be talking about some statistics, simple statistics such as the lean, such as the median, the mode, standard deviation, and then we will be taking you into even a more advanced level where you interpret a histogram and find out the variation of a process and whether the process is performing at a Six Sigma level or not. We will talk about this developing some control charts, process capability, and calculating the reliability of a system. If you take a look into this chart right here that I provided for you on the first page, you will see some of the tools that we will be discussing in this class. So for example, we will talk about scatter diagram. We will talk about histogram. We will talk about fishbone diagram or the Ishikawa diagram. Cheat sheet, we'll talk about flow chart diagram, quality function deployment, control chart, Pareto charts, and many other tools that we will be discussing. And you should be able, once you finish this course, you should be able to do all these tools and more others that is not listed here. So let's go ahead and talk about the course syllabus right away. On the first page of the course syllabus, you will see the information about Bemidji State University, best decision ever, which I believe in it. I know that the support that we provide to our students is excellent. That's why it's best decision ever. We transformed so many students' lives and they become professional through BSU. We are part of the School of Technology, Art and Design. The technology programs accredited by ATME, the Association of Technology Management and Applied Engineering. And this is a national organization. They come every 6 years. They audit our programs and they interview faculty, look into the courses, look into the facility, and ensure the quality that we provide you here. Also, I took my class into even a deeper and a higher level step, and I invited 3 reviewers to review my course, and they certified the course as a Quality Matters certified course, which is basically a very effective and very clear, very clear course that you will benefit from it. The title for the course is Quality Assurance. This is a TADT 4878, a 3-credit course. These are my information at the beginning: the name, the office, the address, the phone number, email address, and office hours. So whenever you have a question, you meet with me during these office hours. Please send me an email saying I want to meet with you, so we could make sure that you are on schedule to meet with me. So Monday 11 to 3, Tuesday 11 to 3, Wednesday 11 to 12, and Thursday 11 to 12. I could do it whether face-to-face or via Zoom. I prefer Zoom because, especially for online students like you, because this is in this way I could share my screen and go over some of the activities on in front of you. The course description: the purpose of this course is to help you develop knowledge and insight into procedures used in quality control and assurance activities. This course covers the principles of quality management to include the basic probability and statistic concept, control charts for attribute and variables, sampling plans, quality audits, and cost. The following topics will be discussed in the course: quality principles and practices, tools and techniques, quality control charts for variables, quality control charts for attributes, acceptance sampling techniques, reliability, and management and planning tools. Once you finish this course, these are the goals that once you finish this course, you should be able to define the concepts related to quality. Number 2, discuss the achievement for the quality masters or pioneers, the people who contributed to the field of quality. Number 3, you will be able to use different systematic techniques for problem solving. Number 5, develop tools and diagrams such as quality function deployment to understand the customer needs. Number 5, you will be able to use and calculate descriptive statistic for a given set of numbers. Number 6, create and interpret frequency diagram and histogram. Number 7, discuss between the common cause variation and special cause variation. Number 1 enemy in any process is variation. So in this class, you will be understanding what's the difference between special cause variation, which has happened because of a reason, because of lack of training, for example, or because of a machine needs to be recalibrated, or a common cause variation due to the process, the environment itself that you can't control. So we will learn about the difference between these. You will be able to construct an integrated control chart for variables and attributes. We will talk about how to monitor the behavior of the process and ensure the process is within the control limits. Number 9, calculate and interpret the process capability. And now, for example, if you need to buy a car and you ask your dealer the car dealer in your area to deliver your car within 10 days. Whether the dealer is capable of fulfilling your need or not, this is what we call the process capability. So we will do some studies and we conduct some analysis to find out whether the process is capable of meeting the needs for their customers, basically. Number 10, we will be calculating reliability of the system. One more thing that I've added here to my class is I want you to learn about Minitab. Minitab is the most common software that used in industry. Whenever you go an industry and you would like to work in the quality department, you will be asked to use Minitab. So we will be in the last chapter, in the last week of this course, I will be helping you to get started with Minitab and perform most of the things that we've learned to conduct it using Minitab. So instead of using a paper and pencil to create a control charts, or instead of using an Excel sheet to create a control chart, you will be using a more advanced software called Minitab to conduct these. The textbook that we'll be using here, it's called the Quality by Summers, and we will be using the 6th edition. Some people, they ask me, can I use a previous edition, 5th edition, 4th edition? Well, yes, you can. The knowledge, the content is the same. However, this is a more updated version of the book. I had the opportunity to review this book. So my name is listed at the beginning of book, thanking me for being one of the reviewers for this textbook. So this class is built based on the 6th edition. I want you to use the 6th edition. If it's for any reason you can't buy the 6th edition, you can do a previous edition. You can buy a previous edition. However, be careful of the organization of the chapters. So some of the chapters that shifted back all the way back, or some of the chapter brought to the front. Same thing for the homework assignment. By the end of each chapter, these questions has been updated. So you need to use the most updated version of the textbook. All right, so we will be using the D2L. I'm going to skip here. Yes, YouTube channel. I create videos to support your learning. So there is a YouTube channel that created by me to support your learning. So if you click on this YouTube playlist, you will see some videos that I recorded previously for other students who use these videos to help them in their learning. So same thing I'm telling you, use this. Is it required? No, but it is available for you. Click on the list. You should be able to see some videos targeting these content of this course in particular. And some of these videos, these are usually, I keep them short, 10 to 15 minutes maximum. Some of these videos are targeting some of the assignment, the questions on the assignment. So please take a look into the videos in the YouTube channel playlist and use it as a resource for you. This course will be offered on campus and online. If you're interested in attending the on-campus section, please let me know so I could arrange for your visit. Expect an email from me or announcement on the D2L by 8 in the morning every Monday. So basically what I would do every Monday, I will post announcement saying, here's what we're going to do this week. So this will prepare you to engage with this class. Again, I'm going to use the announcement in D2L, but if you are in class, so I will be using the first 10 minutes of the class to do the announcement. There's no late work will be accepted. That's the late assignment policy in this class. And the reason for that, because I provide you with the schedule here, where it shows exactly all the activities that needed for this course and when these activities are due. So please play around and make sure to meet the deadline for these activities. Some of the activities in the course considered as assignments, discussions, exams. We will have one midterm exam, case studies, and quizzes. Class participation is required, so you are required to participate every week on the D2L. Participation means online participation via the discussion board. Final project, you will be required to do a final project by the end of the semester. Also, there is a day called Student Achievement Conference Day, April 6th, where I want you to, there's no classes, we cancel all classes, we celebrate our students. So I want you to be part of this Student Achievement Conference on April 6th, where I want you to present your final project on April 6th. I will give you more details once we get closer to that date. So in terms of the grading, we have assignments 20%, discussions 10%, presentations 15%, quizzes 10%, final project 15%, midterm exam 15%, and case studies 15%. Rubrics will be provided for you. So I am here again to support you, not to challenge you. So I will be providing some rubrics to help you understand how I will be grade these assignments and activities. Communication, I would like you to call me by my professional name, Dr. Al-Odeh. And when you email me, you could use this email address and put the question in the subject line for your email. And please address your professor with a professional way, such as, "Hi, Dr. Al-Odeh." No hey, no sub, nothing, not by my first name. It's just, I want you to be professional, as we are in a professional environment. Response time, usually I respond to your email within 24 hours, like basically one business day. So don't expect to respond earlier than that. Regarding for the assignment, there are at least 2 assignments in this course, and it will take me about 10 days to grade your assignments and get back to you. Masking policy, that's for on-campus students. So we follow the BSU policies and the CDC recommendation. There is an extended leave procedure if you're interested in having this. If you are COVID or you're taking care of somebody in your family who has COVID and you cannot participate in the class for any reason, that would be something that you should apply for extended leave procedure. I will be using the plus and minus grading system. There's more information on this link. So if you click on that link, that will take you to the plus and minus grades. If you need this course in a different format, please contact the Accessibility Services Office, and they will be provide you all these documents in an accessible format. Disruptive behavior, I will have the right to deal with any disruptive behavior that prevent people from learning according to the code of conduct. And we all here adult, and I'm expecting you to maintain a professional environment in this classroom. Same thing for academic integrity. I'm assuming that you're taking this course to learn about quality, so I'm here to support you. There's no need to copy, paste assignments from the internet or sheet on quizzes or exams. I want you to maintain the highest academic integrity, and I'm here to support you again, not to challenge you. I did listed some more details about how to maintain the higher academic integrity and the students' responsibilities. I did provide some important links here as well that will help you to find these resources. One of them is the tutor.com that you will receive a 15 hours of tutoring at no cost. So you should be able to get, I think they increased that to more than 15 hours because of COVID. So you probably want to talk to tutor.com to see what would be the latest agreement between them and the Minstead. All right, so the last page here, I want to finish the video right here, where about the course schedule. This is the most important page for me in this syllabus, because it will keep me on track, me and you as well. Whenever we're proceeding with the course, I will look into this schedule and see where we are now and what we should accomplish. So some people, they come ask me, when is the discussion 5 is due? Basically, I don't know at the top of my head. I have to go to the schedule for this course and look into the schedule here. Discussion 5 is due on March 1st. So basically, I use this as a one way to keep me on track, keep my students on track. Please use this as a one way to organize yourself and have a time management for this course. One thing that I want to mention about it is basically the assignment 1. So assignment 1 if you look into this course, assignment 1 is due on March 1st. However, this is a cumulative assignment. So don't wait for the last minute to work on assignment 1. Work with your group. Yes, it is a group work assignment. I want you to work with your group to finish assignment 1. So once we finish chapter 1, go to the assignment 1, see what questions required from you on assignment 1 and finish them. Same thing for chapter 2. Once we finish chapter 2, take a look into the questions that are required on assignment 1 and finish them. So it is a cumulative work, assignment 1, assignment 2. Make sure to work on these activities on a weekly basis. Work with your group on that. The midterm will be on week 8 before the spring break. Once you're done with the spring break, once you're done with the midterm, we can go to the spring break on March 11th. This is basically all that I want to tell you about it. I want you please to read the course syllabus and let me know if you have any question related to the content of the course syllabus. With that said, I would like to thank you very much for taking this course, and I wish you all the best in this class. Thank you.